In this video, we are going to look at amplifiers for the Wheatstone bridge. Now, as we saw before, the way the Wheatstone bridge works is we need to take the difference in the voltages at point A and B, and the basic circuit to take a difference is a differential amplifier. A differential amplifier gives you takes a difference and then amplifies the difference and gives an output. Okay, but in a differential amplifier, the currents that flow into the circuit are not zero, but we want the currents to be zero, right? So the input currents that flow into the differential amplifier are not zero. To make them zero, what we can do is we can add buffers in both the inputs of the differential amplifier. The idea of a buffer being that it has almost an infinite input impedance and therefore zero current flowing into the buffers. But what is this circuit which a differential amplifier with buffers, what is this kind of a circuit called? This is an instrumentation amplifier. So an instrumentation amplifier is commonly used to amplify the output of a Wheatstone bridge.